All right, so first question I want to talk with Giselle. We all know here in Florida, homeowners insurance has been, a pretty hot topic. The prices have gone up. It seems like there's a lot less availability out there. So let's give the audience a little bit of advice. Specifically, this one's going to be targeted to someone who's thinking about selling their home. What's the best advice you can give them for them to be proactive to make sure that they're able to sell their house and the buyer of their home obtains insurance, fairly easily? What would you say?
Well, to our homeowners that are looking to sell their home, the best thing that you can do to prepare the home for sale is to ensure that your new buyer can purchase insurance and can actually qualify for that insurance. Being that the insurance market is very complex at the moment, we're looking for things such as the roof, plumbing, and electrical to be in good working order. So the best thing that you can do is look to see when your roof was last replaced. If your roof was replaced in the last 20 years, that's a good sign. Anything beyond 20 years, you're going to expect to give your buyer some type of credit, because they may not be able to qualify for that insurance. So that is the biggest thing, is the roof. Anything past the 20 years, they're looking to see that that's replaced.
So if I'm looking to sell my house, do you recommend, I know some agents kind of talk about this, do you recommend that I get a roof inspection, or should I get tell the audience what a 4-point inspection is and a wind mitigation report? And as a seller, is it smart for me to get one before I sell my home, or should I just let the buyer do it on their own?
So it's not really necessary for the seller to do the 4-point inspection, but it's not a bad idea to get one done. It typically runs about $150 for the 4-point inspection, and what they're looking for in those 4 points, the roof, once again, is a big thing. The electrical panel, making sure that that's in good working order, that there are no fire hazards. There are all different types of things that can go into the electrical panel that can make it ineligible for a policy. The plumbing, making sure that it is not galvanized plumbing or polybutylene plumbing is a big problem in the state of Florida. And the HVAC is the last point that they're looking at. So basically, when you get a 4-point inspection, the inspector goes out to your home. They're looking at the roof to see if there are any leaks, missing tiles or shingles. And they're also looking to see when the roof was last replaced. And this is the most important part: how many years remaining life you have on that roof.
Yes.
Okay, so what you want to see is that roof has at least 5 years remaining. So it is a really good idea to do a 4-point inspection if you're a little concerned. If your home is older than 20 years old, there is going to be a 4-point requirement for that buyer with any company that they go with. So it is a really good idea to go ahead and get that 4-point inspection done to just mitigate any potential issues that could happen with your closing, that could either delay the closing or completely stop the closing from happening.